हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। तो चलिए आपको आज दिखाते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद का सेमिनार हॉल क्लासरूम इन वेरी मच डिटेल्स। तो चलो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज़ देयर इनसाइड दैट गाइस।
What Derek has because I was also party to the work that Derek is part of the Bright Fish Metal project.
चलो लेट्स सी गाइस व्हाट इज़ देयर इन द डिपार्टमेंट। लेटेस्ट एंट्री ये है डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन बिल्डिंग, जो कि यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद का सबसे बड़ा एकेडमिक बिल्डिंग और ये काफ़ी खूबसूरत है। तो आज सेमिनार चल रहा है, स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स का सेमिनार है यह। बट यूजुअली यहाँ पर डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट के अलग अलग सेमिनार चलते हैं। तो आप देख सकते हैं कितना खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग है। अभी हम लोग इसके अंदर चलेंगे और फिर हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि अंदर यहाँ क्या क्या चल रहा है। काफ़ी सारे डिग्निटरीज आए हैं। तो चलो गाइज लेट अस इन, चलो।
Research covers the broad areas of agriculture, women in agriculture, with attention to structural issues of land tenancy, agrarian distress, rural indebtedness, disparities in development. Recently, she also worked in the areas of water and sanitation. She has a long teaching experience and supervises research in related areas. Her latest book is titled Economics and Technology of Soybean Crop in Central India, published by Academic Foundation, New Delhi. We welcome you to the panel discussion, Professor Revati. Professor Revati could not join in person here as she is not keeping well. She also won the prestigious Subhash Dua Memorial Gold Medal in 2010 for IAS training at the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Missouri, the premier training institution for the civil services in India. For her services, people of Adilabad district named a village as Divyagoda in her name for her contribution in the public service. She received Outstanding Woman in Public Service category award by Enadu Group on International Women's Day in 2020. She also received an award from Chief Electoral.
Nowadays, just to give this extra emphasis that just food security alone has not worked out for us. The earlier policies that you have seen that how we have kind of draw this poverty line, which was based on calorific calculation of 2,100 and 400 calories of food that is required for. So the energy way of computing food requirement has not worked well for us. And in fact it has kept, if at all, it has kept the minimum wages low in most cases. So it requires for us to see this nutrition issue from multi-dimensional perspective, and most importantly how food reaches the plate and from plate to mouth and what happens after that. So for this there are state programs which are already existing, and quite a bit of programs which are direct or indirect, like for example we have the MGNREG or job guarantee type of program.
और आई होप कि अच्छा लगा होगा ये वीडियो। प्लीज़ शेयर दिस वीडियोज़ among your friends. If possible, please subscribe so that I will be keep uploading for HCU new videos regarding classroom, seminar and other coursework. What are the other things that I have already promised? I will be keep updating you guys. Chalo, all the best. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video.